Alright, and we're back again. It's going to be for our 4-box 2014-15 totally certified basketball break from eBay. It is Sunday, about 6:48 p.m. Eastern, December 14th. Good luck, guys and gals. Thanks again for joining. Here's our team rundown for this break. There's your teams. Good luck again. 4 boxes. T-cert basketball. Hope we get a nice one of that guy or another big rookie or something. One of one would be nice. First box, hit per pack. There we go. Good luck, guys. Alright, first up we got a base, Kenneth Faried. I'm not too familiar with all the photo variations, so I'm not sure if I'll notice all the variations. So Kenneth Faried, first up for the Nuggets. Let's flip these around here. We got a base, Allen Iverson for the Sixers. First hit is going to be going to the Nets, Joe Johnson. Blue foil, numbered 42/199. Game-worn Joe Johnson jersey for the Nets. We got a blue Wilt Chamberlain for the Lakers and red Paul George for the Pacers. Paul George is 203/279. Not focusing very well, sorry about that. And then Wilt is 137/149. Alright, pack number 2. First up we have Tobias Harris, base Magic. Noah Vonleh, base rookie for the Hornets. Flip these real quick here. We got a die cut Scottie Pippen for the Bulls. Oops, sorry guys. Die cut Pippen. It's kind of hard to handle. It's numbered 10/135 on Pippen. Alright, Pistol Pete. Man, that's some hair. Never seen him looking like that. Pistol Pete for the Hawks, base. And Aaron Gordon, rookie jersey for the Orlando Magic with a pinstripe, blue foil. It's going to be numbered 175/199. Aaron Gordon, rookie jersey, Magic. Pack 3. Alright, first up we got Thaddeus Young, base for the T-Wolves. Nice die cut here. Blue LeBron for the Cavs. I think that's a variation. I could be wrong on that, but a little chipping on the foil on the side there, but not too bad. Die cut LeBron, 66/74. The Cleveland Cavs. Alright, we got Dwight Howard, Great American Heroes for the Rockets. Should be numbered to 249, 22/299, excuse me, 299. Dwight Howard, Great American Heroes, Rockets. Gonna have a clear cloth, 105/199 for the Thunder, Nick Collison. Should be game-worn Nick Collison jersey, 105/199 for the Thunder. 3 jersey box. Rough. And our last base card down there is Alonzo Mourning for the Heat. Final pack, first box. Alright, we got Eric Bledsoe, base. Base rookie Marcus Smart for the Celtics. Nice, 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 nice. Our hit is going to be a certified competitor on-card autograph of Penny Hardaway for the Orlando Magic. Certified competitor. I think that's mirror parallel to 21/25. Nice hit for the Magic. Penny Hardaway, certified competitor on-card. Very clean auto there. 21/25. Oscar Robinson, that was turned backwards, so I'm thinking that's photo variation possibly for the Bucks. Decoy, and John Stockton base for the Jazz. First pack, box number 2. Good luck again, everybody. Alright, first up we got base Al Horford and a base rookie Jabari Parker. Al Horford for the Hawks, base rook Jabari for the Bucks. Blue Gerald Henderson. It's going to be numbered 98 of 149 for the Hornets. Base Bradley Beal for the Wizards, and a clear cloth 163 of 199 MKG for the Hornets. Game worn. Second pack, box 2. Alright, we got a good old Annis counter there for the Jazz base. Manimal red for the Nuggets. 162 of 279. Kenneth Faried red. LeBron photo variation, I think, for the Cavs, not numbered. And select few autograph Joe Dumars. We got Joe Dumars and Penny Hardaway in our first 2 boxes here. Going Detroit Pistons. Decoy, Kevin Love base Cavs. Dumars is going to be numbered 13 of 60 for the Pistons. Two packs to go. Anthony Bennett T-Wolves and Aaron Gordon base rookie. Great American Heroes, Kevin Love for the Cavs. K-Love is going to be numbered 110 of 299. Also for the Cleveland Cavs, 58 of 299 clear cloth Dion Waiters game worn jersey, acetate. 58 of 299, little white along the top edge and corner there. And our last card there was a Andre Drummond base. Last pack, box 2. Amari. Oh man, just dropped your Marcus Smart. Make sure he's not injured there. 3 of 25. Purple die cut Marcus Smart. Boston Celtics. Nice one there. Purple or black? Die cut rookie Marcus Smart. Alright, back over here we had Rodney Hood rookie, red, 83 of 279. 2 of 99, Shaquille O'Neal in the Lakers uniform. Just a jersey, blue foil Shaq for the Lakers. And our last base is Joe Johnson for the Nets. Alright, box 3. Good luck again. First up, Vince Grizz base. Gonna have a penny, 134 to 279. Should be red. Flip these around. I'll pull that penny off the back for the Magic. There's an Andre Drummond base card. Rajon Rondo jersey, blue border Celtics, and red James Harden. Rondo is going to be 160 to 199. Harden for the Rockets. Red is going to be 118 to 279. Three packs to go in this box. Alright, we got Luol Deng. That'll be going to the Heat, actually. Deng for the Heat. Another die-cut Pippen, it looks like. We got KD. KD base, I think. Not sure if that's a variation. Chicago Bulls blue die-cut Scottie Pippen. 26 of 74. And our hit is clear cloth for the T-Wolves, Nikola Pekovic, 59 of 199. Game worn jersey. And a Bradley Beal base card for the Wizards. Two to go. What's up, Josh? What's going on, man? Trey Burke base Jazz, and Joe Harris base rookie for the Cavs. There's a backwards Kyrie. Could be a photo variation, not sure, for the Cavs. Next up we have for the Utah Jazz, on card a Rodney Hood rookie roll call autograph, Utah. Rodney Hood. 241 to 249. And another Kevin Love base. Last pack, box 3. Swaggy P, Lakers. Eric Green, Nuggets base rookie. Off the back there we have Great American Heroes, Paul George for the Pacers. 155 at 299. Joe Johnson base card. Our last hit is another Paul George, red foil on this one. Game worn. It's going to be numbered 5 of 249. For the Pacers. And last box of the 4-box basketball break. That little 4-box football mixer will be up next. Good luck. KG. Clyde Drexler, 7 of 10 die cut. Gold Drexler die cut. Nice pickup on the Rockets last minute there. Gold die cut, Clyde the Glide. It's going to be numbered 7 of 10. 7 of 10 Clyde. Gold die cut. Nice one. Alright, next up we have Chandler Parsons certified skills for the Dallas Mavericks. 126 at 299. And our hit is going to be clear cloth John Wall for the Wizards, 156 at 199. Game worn John Wall. And we had a Iverson base for the Sixers on the back. Pack 2. Derek Favors and Aaron Gordon. Aaron Gordon is a base rookie. DeMar DeRozan for the Raptors, 114 and 149. John Stockton base. That was DeRozan. It's going to be blue for the Raptors. There's our John Stockton base and Derek Fisher. Die cut jersey. Thunder. 9/99, Derek Fisher. OKC. Lance Stevenson. Oscar Robinson for the Royals. I believe that's the Kings. I'll look it up. 166/279. So there's that Oscar Robinson. Alright, next up we got Zoe, Decoy. And this is actually going to the Toronto Raptors, 22/99. Jordan Hamilton for the Raptors. It's our last, or maybe our last auto. Timmy, Spurs. That's a Decoy. Hey, what's up, Niels? Nah, man. Had a lot of stuff happen, and yeah, I haven't been able to get on to sit and live fill stuff, so I just threw up a few small ones on eBay real quick. Probably like towards the end of the week, I'll do some hop on and do some normal stuff and get caught up and all that good stuff. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Rondo base and another Jabari Parker base. Spin this around here. For the T-Wolves, Andrew Wiggins. Nice one. Die cut rookie. Red. That is going to be 135/135. Nice red die cut there for the T-Wolves. Some family stuff, Niels. A lot of stuff. But T-Wolves, Andrew Wiggins. I'll get everybody caught up towards the end of the week, probably. Shaq Magic. Our last hit going to the 76ers. KJ McDaniels, Future Stars rookie auto. Going to Sixers. 39/99. There it is, guys. Does it for our little 4-boxer on T-Cert. Best hit probably that on-card penny auto to 25, I think. A lot of numbered stuff in there. Nice die cuts and whatnot. Does it for the T-Cert. Thanks again, everybody, for joining in the recording here in just a sec.